So now we're gonna make a quiche Lorraine. Quiche Lorraine. It's a pie made out of meat, eggs, milk, sour cream. It's delicious. It's a specialty from northern eastern part of France, a region called Lorraine. And this dish has always made me think of the B-52s. You know why? I'm gonna tell you why. Quiche Lorraine. Now you will Google this and come back to me in comments down there. Okay, regarding the ingredients of this wonderful recipe, it's really nice, it's delicious, really. So first we're gonna use this silicone pan here, put the pastry on it and poke it with a fork. So we're gonna need a shortcut pastry. We call that pâte brisée in French. To make this beautiful quiche Lorraine, we will need a short crust pastry, like this. We will need butter. We will need 3 eggs, half a pound of sour cream, a glass of milk, half a pound of lardons, or bacon if you don't find lardons. And for the seasoning, we will need salt, pepper, and nutmeg. We call that muscade, but it's nutmeg. First step, you need to preheat your oven. So it's going to be 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Okay. So first, I will put the pastry in the pan like this. Okay. Of course, with the pastry, you can use the cooking paper that comes with it. Install it very evenly and poke it with the fork like this. Next step is to cut little pieces of butter and put them on the back of the pastry like this. So I use salty butter because it's a specialty we have in France, which is pretty good, you know. But if you don't find it, soft butter is enough, is good. Whatever happens at the end with the lardons, the salt, the seasoning, it's going to be salty anyway. So, as you can see, this loaf of butter is mixed with crystals of salt. Gives it a delicious taste. Now we're going to prepare the lardons. They need to be cooked down a little bit so the taste is released and you know it's cooked basically. It's going to be cooked in the quiche Lorraine anyway, but if you cook them like this in a pan with a little bit of oil, it gives more taste. So I take a little bit of butter, let it melt, gently let it melt. We'll also need a wooden spoon, like this. The name in French is spatule, spatule en bois, a wooden spatula. So you need vivid fire. So the lardon is, how do you say that? Crispy. Yeah. So you need to cook the lardon with a vivid fire so it gets a little bit crispy. So the lardon comes from the chest of the pig. We call that poitrine de porc. And you can have it like this, raw, or smoked. I chose to take raw lardon, raw chest, because I'm cooking it right now. You can use smoked chest as well. It gives a little, it gives another taste to your recipe. It's good too, no problem. You're all free to choose whatever lardon you want to use. No hard feeling. On all sides. Okay. Okay, we're almost done here. Yeah, it smells super good. So you don't need to cook them really hard, you know, just a little bit crispy because it's going to be cooked in the dish. So we're almost done here. See, scrap the bottom of the pan, stop the fire, and spread it on the pastry. Like this. So you evenly spread your lardons like this, so there's anywhere, so they are everywhere. Now next step, we're going to mix the eggs, the milk and the sour cream. I'm going to season this with salt, pepper and nutmeg. Basically now. So generous amount of salt. This salt is salt from Himalaya. I took the plane to get there. Now regular salt is good, of course. Then pepper. And nutmeg. Not too much, just enough. Okay, a last mix of the batter. Et voilà! Now I'm going to mix this with the lardons. Voilà. Spread that evenly, like this. Beautiful, isn't it? Looks wonderful. As you notice, I didn't put any cheese in this dish because the original recipe does not have cheese. It has eggs, lardons, milk, sour cream, but no cheese. Of course, there's no limitation. If you want to add cheese, I won't be offended. Okay, so now that the dish is kind of ready, I'm going to put it in the oven, and it needs to cook in the oven for 45-50 minutes. Okay. Okay. So with this kind of dish, you can have a light red wine, for example, Val de Loire or Côte du Rhône. Côte du Rhône would be good. It's pretty light. It's fruity. You take a fruity wine, and that would be good. And as a side dish, you could have a salad with vinaigrette, with tomatoes, cucumber, a mix of that, and that would be perfect. So I just took it out of the oven. As you can see, it's perfectly cooked. It smells super good as well. So what you want to do now is wait a little bit before you take it out of the pan, because you might bust it up and you don't want that. Then once it's cooled down, wait like 20 minutes or something like this. Take it out of the pan, take it out of the paper. Slice a little bit of that, put it on a plate with salad around it, you know, cucumber, tomatoes, a little bit of oil and vinegar, and share it with your loved one and a glass of red wine. Voila! Merci beaucoup! So if you really like this video, please give us the thumbs up, give us good comments as well, it's very much appreciated. And if you want more French recipes like this, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you very soon. Thank you very much. Merci, au revoir et à très bientôt.